Do you think you need accountability to help you follow through and get the most out of my course? Well, guess what? I'm here for you. For a limited time only, I'm offering one-on-one time with yours truly and for a steal. Not only will you have access to my 30 minutes to quality video course, audio, and worksheets, but you'll also receive a 1-hour video chat with me to help you dial in your own personalized setup. Now, this includes setting up your camera, your lighting, your audio, your backdrop, and we'll even go through a couple dry runs. And once you've done your first video, you can send it my way for 1 round of feedback. Okay, and here's the best part. I'm really excited for this. I will create for you a 5 to 10 second video bumper that is custom to your brand. And you can slap that onto the beginning and end of your videos for that polished professional look that will set you apart from all the rest. And there's more. I realize that this is a new skill set and there might be new questions that come up, or you might be ready to up-level your setup even more. So for that, I'm offering another 30-minute follow-up call where we can tackle these questions. So if that doesn't make you want to do it on camera, I don't know what will. Are you ready?